Actually, his trial was only about the release of dozens of emails, but a federal judge also gave an assessment of the impending penalties against former US President Trump. According to this federal judge, the then US President Donald Trump could have committed a criminal offense when he tried to prevent Congress from confirming the election victory of his opponent Joe Biden. Based on the evidence, the court finds it more likely that President Trump corruptly attempted to obstruct the joint session of Congress on January 6th in 2021, Judge David Carter said in a decision on Monday in Santa Ana in California. This could constitute a criminal offense of obstruction or attempted obstruction of an official procedure. Carter ordered Trump advisor John Eastman to turn over 101 emails to the Committee of Inquiry into Trump supporters storming the Capitol. Trump had asked his Vice President Mike Pence to prevent the official confirmation of Biden's election victory at the joint session of Congress on January 6th in 2021. Pence, who chaired the session, declined. After an inciting speech by Trump, his supporters then stormed Congress. The attack killed 5 people and injured dozens. The attack on the heart of US democracy shook the country. Trump claims to this day that he was deprived of his election victory through fraud. However, his camp failed with dozens of lawsuits against the election results. President Trump and Dr. Eastman justified the plan with allegations of voter fraud, but President Trump probably knew that this justification was unfounded and therefore the entire plan was unlawful, Carter's decision said. The illegality of the plan was obvious, it said. Every American knows that in a democracy, politicians are elected, not installed. President Trump knowingly attempted to undermine his fundamental principle. If the plan had worked, it would have permanently ended the peaceful transfer of power. So far, neither Trump nor Eastman have had to face criminal charges for the storming of Congress. Carter made it clear that his case was only about a dispute over the release of emails. It's not a criminal prosecution. However, Carter demanded that the events be clarified on January 6th and those responsible held accountable. Otherwise, the court fears that January 6th will repeat itself. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.